PGL, you alright?
So it's
and I'm ignoring him.
Yeah, go straight on. So it's up a very narrow little road. Oh, and there's something coming. But I don't think we're very far. Oh, it's pulling in there. Just give him a flash. It wasn't signed from the main road, but I'm pretty sure we are going the right way.
Famous last words.
But it looks like it on Google. I can see the sign up ahead, Caravan and Motorhome CL. This is very narrow. But here we are, Isle View. There we go. So if you pull in here, and I've got the gate code. Oh, it is just a field. Right, I will turn off. You have arrived. Right, we're in through all the gates, and it's a bit bleak, but tomorrow this is going to be a corker. There's quite a lot of space between everybody, isn't there? You just wait. Number 3. There's a number.
We just go straight
just
between.
Straight, yeah. Oh, they're all. Oh, I don't know.
To the right.
Straight on the. Yeah, I would go that way a little bit. Yeah, perfect. But yeah, that. Wow.
We're there.
That is going to have a pretty nice view tomorrow.
Arrived safe.
So we had a little technical hitch with the microphones, so it didn't record. But basically, tea tonight was 2 sausages that I had in the freeze that we defrosted on the way here, with some prawns, a little bit of marinade. We had some rice left over from last night's tea. We had a bit of salad. So it was just a bit of a mishmash of everything, and it was absolutely delicious. Good morning. Well, it's good afternoon actually. It's 1 o'clock. It rained all night and rained most of the morning, but now the sun has come out. Blue skies. It's lush. So Dave's just getting he was getting the bikes ready. He's going for some water. Remember your microphone's on, Dave.
Can you hear me?
Bike sorted. I'm going to go for a bike ride now. It's a beautiful little spot. So that straight in front is Portland, and then that over there is Weymouth. But we are cycling that way to Lulworth Cove, Durdle Door, which is about 8.5 miles, I think. So that'd be a nice little ride out. Come back and have a steak on the barbecue later. It's such a little peaceful spot. 5-van CL, Caravan and Motorhome Club. Massive field. I could fit loads more on, but obviously they're only registered for 5. Whether that happens, I'm not sure. But there was 5 here 4. We were the 5th last night. But there's 2 of them gone this morning. So we're here for another night. But I have asked if we can maybe stop an extra night on Tuesday, which we can. She's got 1 space left. So might exit, depends how far we get on the bikes this afternoon. So, but yeah, it's so peaceful. It's lovely. So we all ready?
That's the water done. Ready to rock.
Ready to rock. Right, we'll catch you later. have arrived after about 10 miles to Durdle Door.
10.02.
And it is a gorgeous day. Absolutely beautiful. It does say it's a 10 to 15 minute walk.
There's a few heart attacks happening here, I
to
think.
the viewpoint. Well, it's
People
really
are
steep.
panting.
I'm not looking forward to coming back up. Walking down is a bit because it's so stony. Yeah, I don't think we'll be videoing coming back up. God, you wouldn't be able to come down here if you were a bit iffy on your feet, would you?
No.
It's far too steep. I wonder if there's a
It's.
more user-friendly way.
I think it leads.
No. It's very steep and very stony.
Do you want me to take the bag?
No, you're alright. I've carried it for 10 miles, Dave. I'm sure I can carry it a bit further.
You're doing a good
Oh,
job.
it looks beautiful, doesn't it? Look at the colour of the sea.
It's very busy for
It
a
is.
Tuesday. Or is it Monday?
It's Monday.
Monday.
God, the coastline is just stunning. I think I need to take a few pictures. Down all the stairs to get onto this lovely, very fine pebbly beach. It is really busy, isn't it?
It's absolute chock-a-block.
I mean, I know we're children as well, but you think midweek places are going to be quiet and they're not.
I wonder how many barrels of rum have been smuggled in here.
It's hard to believe that this is like 200 million years old, is this coastline. Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Pirate ship? So we've stopped in a little village just outside, coming from Durdle Door. What's it called? Winfrith. Winfrith. We stopped at a little shop. Spent a fortune in there. We got a pasty, a sausage roll. We got some Dorset knob biscuits, whatever they are. Some tray bakes. What sausage? What's the
Oh, the best. Beautiful.
Oh, got it warmed up. And we're just sitting outside the church on a little bench having a picnic. So I think we've been had with these Dorset knob biscuits. They're not biscuits, they're a bread roll. A very hard, crispy bread roll. Very posh bag though, resealable, and it's a nice thick plastic. But yeah, they're not biscuits. If I'd have read the back, didn't have my glasses on in the shop, did I? It does say that they were derived from leftover dough from the morning's bread production. They're made into small rounds the shape of a knob button. Baked overnight in the falling heat of the oven, and in the morning the biscuits would emerge crisp and golden with remarkable keeping quality. Well, yeah, the keep January 2027 because they're absolutely rock hard. But I think they'd be nice with a bit of jam on them or a bit of peanut butter. But they are most definitely not a biscuit.